Here you go.
What is it?
Oh boy, what is
What
it?
is it?
Open it.
Open it. Oh, peanuts.
Are you gonna open that package?
What's in here? Tear it, baby. There you go.
Oh boy. What is it, babe? Show me.
Yeah, you opening stuff for Paxton? That's nice.
Oh, is that
of
for
you.
Paxton?
Good job, because he can't open it.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Thank you.
What else is in the bag?
Paxton is mommy's little guy, huh?
There's more.
What else is in there? Oh! Thank you. Yeah, you want mommy just to open them? Here, try that one open, baby.
Good job.
Grab it here and yank.
Help Mama open it.
There we
Oh
go.
boy.
Here, Mom will take that. Paxton, we love you, buddy. We are so glad you're here and we can't wait to meet you. Love, Uncle Adam and Aunt Cindy and family. Oh, what is it? Show Mom. Oh boy. One of a kind. Patch. Yeah, is that puppy?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, look at that. Look at his cool jeans. Oh boy. You want to open another one for Paxton?
Open
Or
that
you wanna
one.
Switch to yours. Here, open this one. Okay, Mom, you'll open this one. This one's for you. You trade?
Ooh.
Here, what is it? Oh boy. A hat and a pacifier. How cute, huh? Is that for baby Paxton? Here, why don't you open this one? Trade me.
Thanks, guys, for the gifts for Paxton. Appreciate that. Ooh, what is that?
Look at
Ooh,
those
some
pretty
cool
pants.
pants. You want to tell Uncle and Auntie thank you?
Look how pretty.
Look over here and say thank you. No, look over here. Dakota,
Over there.
look right here. Tell them thank you. There's more. Want more? I bet you do. Oh my gosh, there's a ton more in there.
Here you go. Mommy, hold these pants, okay? Here, Mommy. What's that?
Oh boy.
Dora. What are those? Are those jammies? Should we open them and see? Okay. You get
There's
that
more
one.
in there.
You
What
get
what
that
else is
one.
in there, babe?
Who's on that? Is that Minnie Mouse? Oh boy. What else is in there?
Oh boy, what's that?
What is it?
Is that a purse? And some
Oh,
goodies? Oh my
boy.
gosh. What is that?
Yummy gummies, huh?
Gummy lifesavers. All right. You gonna share? Oh, more hair stuff.
We
Cool.
like hair stuff. Oh, look, there's your Dora. Wow. Look at that pretty shoe. Look, there's more. Here, open this one next. Mommy, take this one. Don't worry, I'm not gonna eat them.
Oh, pretty. What is it, babe? Pretty pink. You love pink, huh? What is it? Hold it up so I can see. Oh, pretty. Turn it around so we can see.
What is it? Let's see. Everybody loves me. Yep.
Yeah, they do. Tell them thank you. Look over here.
What's this one? That one's kind of heavy, huh? What is it, baby?
Oh boy, what is it, babe?
Here, need some help? What is it?
Another purse? Oh boy, what's in this one?
Oh boy.
Oh, you hit the jackpot.
Let's open it this way. Here. There we go. Oh boy.
Those look yummy. A brush?
Your brush.
And more hair bands?
Oh boy, Mary Kate and Ashley.
Cool. Is that to brush your hair?
Yeah, just like that, huh? Want me to take your yummies? Happy birthday, sweet Dakota. We love you so much. Love Uncle Adam and Aunt Cindy and family. Here, baby. You want to tear into that one? No, that's your card. Here, start right here. Okay? Right here. Oh. Keep going.
Oh
what is it?
boy.
Can I hold your brush? Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Good job. What is it? Baby, yeah. Good job. Keep going. We're almost finished. There we go. Should we open it? How about if we turn around and say, thank you for my, oh yeah, get that piece of paper. There we go. Thank you for my baby.
You look up here. Look right here, Dakota. Tell Auntie and Uncle thank you. Hey, look over here and tell them. Say thank you for my presents.
Thank you, presents.
Oh, I love you.
I love you.
Miss you.
Miss you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
You like your baby?
Open.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, we'll get into it. Look, Yabez. And look, what's this? Here's a baby's purse. And here's some diapers, some socks, and a teddy bear, and a bottle, and a sippy cup, and some jelly.
Open it.
Yeah, we'll open it so you can play.
Okay. Hold them. Hold them.
Paxton, you can say hi to Auntie and Uncle. Tell them thanks for my cool clothes and my hat. And my pacifier. Thanks guys for everything. You guys are too awesome.
Is that your baby?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's okay.
And the keys? What's your baby gonna do with the keys?
A car.
She's gonna go start the car? Does she know how to drive?
Yes.
Wow, did you teach her?
Yes.
Good for you.
Dakota, what are you doing, sweetheart?
A car.
You can go start the car with the keys. You want to tell Auntie and Uncle thank you for the presents? Okay, look over here and tell them. Hey, where are you going? Are you feeding your baby chocolate milk?
Yes.
You're so sweet. Are you sharing the chocolate milk with your baby? Is that a sippy cup?
Yes. Have they eat it? Here they
No,
eat
thank
it.
you.
Eat it, eat it. Eat it!
Yum, thank you.
Eat it, they eat it. Chocolate milk too.
It is yummy, chocolate milk.
Yes. I did eat the chocolate.
Say thank you, Auntie and Uncle and cousins. I love all my presents.
I see big cup. I see big cup, Daddy.